Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, everybody. It's Salon DivaV in the place to be. My garden. And y'all, it's Vlogmas day 3. And I am harvesting these tomatoes. We were down to 38 last night. So I'm going to go ahead, take all of them off. So I don't put them through this drama again. And put them all in my pocket for right now. I don't care if they teeny tiny. We gonna get them all. Oh, look, about to miss one. They will blush on the table. How about that? All right. So I'm out here. Let's move this. I need to plant this in the soil. So this is one of my cabbages. So I'm out here. I'm gonna harvest the Swiss chard right here. Harvest that. And what else? There's more cabbages right there. I'm not gonna mess with that. Oh, you know what? I wanted to come and check on this. This broccoli over here, y'all. Look at that. I'm so excited. My first broccoli, y'all. What? Okay. I don't even know where to cut it at. I'm gonna cut it right there at the top. It's the only one that's growing, but that's okay. Okay. I am so excited about that. Let's get something so we can harvest that broccoli. Let's check this one and see. Nothing on the side. This is a huge daggone broccoli. All right. What else? Do I need to harvest these peas over here? They look like it. This is literally supposed to be climbing a fence right about now. I don't know why it's not. I have to get something to tie that on to. My banana plant still looking good, even though it was 38 degrees in the house. I mean, 38 degrees outside last night. Let's see, we can find some lettuce. Child, I don't know what I'm saying today. Find some scissors so we can cut some of this Bok Choy over here. Oh, there goes some right there. All right, so let's harvest some of this. Been being chomped on. Okay, let's grab these. We'll come back for the rest. Ooh, what was that? Stepped on something. All right, so I figured out that this is dill, y'all. I finally grew some dill. Finally. But it don't smell like nothing. I thought dill was supposed to smell. Oh, wait. It don't smell like dill. So, yeah, I thought it was carrots, and I thought it was... Who is that calling me? Telemarketer. Damn, telemarketer. Okay, back to over here. Let's get some more. Lettuce ain't lettuce in. So let's get that one. Let's just cut them all and leave the little nubs on there. We're gonna harvest all of this. All right. I think that's, throw that over there. Cut this off, cut that off, cut that off. I should take this big one. All right, here we go. Let's pick up our tools. Don't leave them in the garden. Put them over here where they're supposed to be. Put this over here. I don't know if that canner needs some water. I need to be cutting on this. Yeah, but I don't know if it's the too many in the pot now, if it needs to be separated, or if it needs some, well, it don't need no water. If the cold weather is affecting it or not, but it's all them brown leaves has got me wondering. All right, let's check on this eggplant. And the eggplant was yummy. Okay, it's getting big. Ooh. Oh, it's just sitting on the thing. I thought it was big. Okay. What else? That's it? Y'all believe that? Okay. That is, what is that? That is tomatoes growing in the cold. So we got the original one and 2 pups right next to it. That's why I took off that pup right there, because it was too much. All right. So that is it for today's video. Just harvesting some things out in the garden. I will see you guys in the next video. We're going to be continuously cleaning up some things in this garden, putting some more stakes down and stuff like that. It's supposed to warm up the rest of the week, but not be too warm, but not be in the 30s like it was today. So, share me with your family and your friends. Check out my other social media channels. Check out my other YouTube channel. It's called Salon DivaV. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 3. And I'll see you guys in these YouTube streets. I'm Salon DivaV in the place to be, y'all. Oh, I gotta go harvest my broccoli. You know what it is. Peace.